Authorizations are an essential feature that allow borrowers to acknowledge disclosures and other required agreements during the loan application process. While completing the loan application, each borrower will be presented with these authorizations to review and accept. To add a new authorization, go to App Settings and select Configure Authorizations. Etrafficers has already provided 2 pre-written authorizations to use with our loan app. Click the green Add New Authorization button to create your own. To set up your authorization, you'll need to first name your authorization, then specify whether this authorization is required or optional for borrowers. Next, select your authorization statement. And finally, choose your format, text or PDF. For text, you will type your authorization in the text box below. If you selected PDF, you will upload your pre-written document. The preview window on the right side displays the authorization as it will appear to borrowers. Selecting the blue text reveals the full authorization content. To check borrowers' completed authorizations, go to Applications, find the borrower, and click the blue View button. Look for the Authorizations button in the top right. The green check marks indicate completed authorizations. Click any authorization to download the PDF. If your company has set up cloud storage, all authorizations automatically sync to your storage solution. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etrafficers.com.